Hello everyone, and welcome to Twoguysfinance channel. Using the Bank of America mobile app to pay your bills is a simple and convenient way to manage your finances. Whether you're paying a one-time bill or setting up recurring payments, the app makes it easy to stay on top of your due dates. Here's a step-by-step guide to using the Bank of America mobile bill pay in 2025. Prerequisites. You must be enrolled in Bank of America online banking. You need to have the Bank of America mobile banking app installed on your smartphone or tablet. You will need to have a Bank of America checking, savings, or home equity line of credit account to pay from. Steps to pay a bill. 1. Log in to the app. Open the Bank of America mobile banking app and sign in using your user ID and passcode, or with biometric sign-in like Face ID or Touch ID. 2. Navigate to Bill Pay from the main menu. Select Pay and Transfer, then Pay Bills. 3. Add a payee if needed. If you haven't paid this person or company before, you'll need to add them as a payee. Select Add a new payee. Then choose company or person. Enter the necessary information, such as the company name, account number, and address. For companies, the app often populates most of the information automatically. 4. Select a payee to pay. From your list of payees, tap the one you want to pay. 5. Enter payment details. Pay from. Choose the Bank of America account you want to use for the payment. Amount. Enter the amount you wish to pay. Deliver by. Select the date you want the payment to be delivered. The app will show you the earliest available date. Frequency. You can choose to make a one-time payment, or set up a recurring payment on a schedule you choose. 6. Review and confirm. Double-check all the payment details before submitting. Once you're sure everything is correct, tap Pay, or Make Payments. You will receive a confirmation that your payment has been scheduled. Additional tips. E-bills. If a payee offers e-bills, you can set it up through the app to receive and view your bills electronically, making it even easier to track and pay them. Erica. You can use Erica, the virtual financial assistant within the app, to pay bills. Simply tap the Erica icon and say or type Pay a Bill, and she will guide you through the process. Security. Bank of America offers a mobile banking security guarantee, so you are not liable for fraudulent transactions when they are reported promptly. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to this channel. See you in the next one.